Today, we bring you guys a video of epic fails. Check it out.
This ain't gonna be good. Oh,
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Best reaction show, no need to find another. Big bro and lil' bro, it's brother to brother.
What's going on, folks? I'm Alex and I'm the In Love Brother.
I'm Dre and I'm the brother who everybody else loves.
And this is Brother to Brother. Today, we got a video of epic fails that we're about to get into. Don't know what's gonna happen, but hopefully it's some funny stuff.
Yeah, buddy.
Hopefully we get a couple laughs out of it.
Yeah,
Hopefully
buddy.
y'all get a couple laughs out of it. Out of it, my bad. But let's get into it.
That was an epic fail right there, guys.
Yeah, it was.
Liked it. Here it go.
Pretty much before we even get into the video.
Maybe not epic, but it was a fail. Oh, this ain't gonna be good.
Oh, Jesus.
Man, why though? Like, on the back of a car.
Okay, man, go.
Yeah, you wasn't happy about that. Fail army.
Fails of the week.
Oh. This ain't gonna be good. Oh,
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. God, bruh. Oh, man.
Oh, not the baby. How heavy was that box?
No, he ain't cry. Just ruined that.
Yeah, it looked like he was crying. Oh, that both failed.
Both fail.
Yeah, it's bad business, buddy.
Oh, Jesus.
That thing going fast.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
Why is it going so fast? Man, I think walking down that street.
What are you thinking, buddy?
Oh, come here. That dog had no. Oh, it would have been nice had he.
You alright?
Little buddy got the juice though, cause little buddy behind you stopped.
Yeah.
Somebody right fine. Yeah.
One.
Oh,
Yeah, he had no chance.
where your shoes at, buddy?
Can't wear shoes in there.
Well, where are your
What do you-
socks?
Oh. Nah.
Yeah.
Try to look up. Oh, that's got
Oh,
man.
Jesus.
What was it?
That's not even funny.
Man, that's like you know that's gonna be a fail. Like he had no chance. Get you
That's so
some.
bad from the beginning.
Oh man,
The back tail of that thing was that doing that. It looked
I look like get down right there.
Boy, you know you hurt. Boy, you know you hurt.
That reminded me of get down when he was running at him.
Get out.
Yeah. No,
Don't
man.
worry.
Se volvió a agarrar, dale.
Like, what you got going on here, guy?
Where are y'all at to where it's like,
They
why
don't
is
like
that
a
close?
safari type situation. On wildlife. Oh. Yeah, he messed up.
Eddie. Yeah, cat's up Eddie.
Oh,
Oh!
man, that wasn't no good.
Boy, if he had been on regular. Oh, Jesus Christ.
The jump stuff. That was like stupid. They was running right at each other. Yeah, guy, you gotta pick another sport, buddy. Oh, double fail.
Something's about to happen. Oh my God.
Man, oh.
That could have been real bad. And it was raining.
Like, yeah. They just
Jesus,
be,
God. What in the world? Oh man, you tripping, bro. That tree done.
you know you done had stuff, don't you? Oh. What do you mean, is he okay?
Nobody saw that.
Yeah, alright.
Whatever. We definitely all saw that, bro.
Millions of people have seen it now, buddy.
Right.
So you got it going on here?
It's fair.
Nobody saw that. That's what you get.
Anybody.
That's what you get.
Who's laughing like that? God, stop it, cat. she's drunk.
Oh, Meek Mill.
Come on.
Oh, your body. Your body.
What is that on your back?
Look at it, ain't a march or something. I don't know. Just wait out. Oh, this ain't gonna be good.
Everybody falling asleep?
No.
Oh my God.
It could have been your body.
Oh Lord.
Oh, he got a lot though. He got a lot of rotation on that. He would have
He got a
labeled
lot
that.
of hurt
It would have been
after that.
epic. Oh, nah, he got a lot of hurt. Yeah. He got a lot of protection on though.
You know you hurt when you hear
Oh, come here. What?
What is going on?
I don't know. It looks like they're about to drown. Oh, you almost got it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, mama.
Oh. She ain't got nuts.
Right. Hey, females, is that hurt as bad on y'all as it does us?
Didn't look like she was bad.
It's looking good.
I'm just talking about in general.
Oh, she.
Yeah, that's your body. Ugh.
Wasted.
Man.
Whoop, you're right.
I broke my glasses!
Yeah, so
yeah.
now
You almost
I
broke
gotta
your face.
jump off my roof.
Like for what though? Yeah. Ain't as hot now, is it? Fail before the fail.
Okay, I'm not gonna jump.
Yeah, I bet.
Maybe next time. Maybe never again. I don't know.
What?
Whoa.
Aw, come on, bro. You got 4 legs. What are you doing?
Man, that's gotta hurt. Maybe he did that on purpose. You ain't going for that?
The dog did it on purpose.
Maybe dogs are clever when they want to be.
So that was clever? Tripping and hitting your head on the
He
ground
knew it was
clever?
being recorded.
Mhm. So it made the dog dumb. If he knew it was being recorded and he tripped himself, doesn't make him clever.
He was doing it for epic fails. Anywho. Alright folks, we appreciate you watching that video. If you liked it, hit the like and subscribe button down below.
Yep.
Social media, all that good stuff, right up under my chin, right up under my chin.
Yep. Like I said, man, do you.
And do it well.
Peace.
Holla holla.
Best reaction show, no need to find another. Big bro and little bro, it's brother to brother. Grab a couple snacks, get a few drinks.